to cut a piece out of the bottom of this lower bar, so if we measure in about 70mm and then add another 30 to it and then cut it in at about 35mm deep, we'll cut this square section out so that when we fit this up it will slide up into place. Then we remove these two outer bolts, then the front panel, next we grab the spacer and we slide this up into the chassis, into place. Then we grab a bolt with a washer, we come around to this side on the inside of the chassis rail and we push this bolt into place to line up with the spacer. Slightly push the radiator backwards on the rubber mount, get the bolt into place. Slip it back a little bit and we fit this spacer onto the outside of the bolt. Grab our bracket, we slide the bracket up into place. And we push out then we push the bolt right through. Start the nut and washer. We grab our other bolt, washer and plate, put this on the inside of the chassis rail. We feed this into the front hole, which is where you take the front of the bar bracket. Fit the other nut and washer. Then we grab our other spacer, we slide this into the front mounting bolt hole, slide it into place, fit the new longer bolt and washer, and fit the back bolt. We loosely tighten these bolts up. Then we refit our lower bash tray back into place. And that's it, that'll be all done. And we repeat the same for the other side.